I'm sure Saxton's pleased with this guy as our referee.
I am. He's here to deliver justice in the ring.
The following contest is a tag team match set for one fall. Please welcome the special referee for this match, North America Sweetheart.
Now this is a guy who won't get pushed around, won't get intimidated,
And he won't be entertaining either. You know, I saw this guy studying the WWE rulebook earlier tonight. What a dork.
Yeah, he was reading Saxton's copy. It was? He didn't even ask. Hey, maybe this guy isn't trustworthy after all.
Shine like a star in my new city. 어디서든 밝게 빛날 수 있게. Filling my city with your own color. 우리만의 빛나는 색일지를 나를
Refereeing is a
보여줄게.
tough job with a lot of complexity and nuance. I hope he's up for it.
Oh, you're just mad that he actually will do a good job, Corey.
Actually, I'm not as dark as you think I am. In a simple world, that may be true. But my city is filled with a lot more love than you may want to believe. I'll show you around if you want. Or not!
더 빛이 날게 너에게 닿기를. Oh, I'm talking to my loved ones.
They are ready for battle.
I go by the name of GJ of Blue Jump. Yeah, it's been a long time coming, but we are here now, and we about to set the roof on fire, baby. Woo! You better get yours, cause I'm getting mine.
Combined weight of 510 pounds. Redhead
Coming, 다른 세상으로 지겹기만 한 고민은 이제 등을
As a former tag champ myself, I know when I see a championship caliber team, and this is the dictionary definition of one.
춤을 타요 wanna get down. 보다 큰 꿈을 꿔 세상은 내 맘대로 다 할 수 있기에 큰 자유를 위해 tonight.
내 눈빛은 빛나는 별들로 내 심장 속을 태우는 저 불빛도 영원하진 않겠지. 뻔 잃을 건 없지.
Are you guys ready?
And their opponent, first, from out of this world, weighing in at 228 pounds.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who can blame them? You are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
You are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
I'm gonna make it alright. 손을 뻗어봐봐. Gonna make it alright. 날개를 펼쳐 날.
He said he'll steal the show here tonight, and he looks more than ready to deliver on that promise.
A crystal glass universe. Waiting for the moment. 둘만의 공간을 눈물이야. Gonna make it alright. Gonna make it alright. 그대로 아름답게. Dance one more time. Don't lay on your mind. 지금 이 순간. 둘만의 암흑 같은 groove. 따라가 이 춤. Deep inside of you. Yeah. 이제 더 이상 변하지 않아 너희는.
And here comes one of my favorites.
Representing Harlem Heat from South Korea, weighing in at 220 pounds.
matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is an art form. The champ knows the competition level's at an all-time high. He needs to show he's above all competitors.
Some good old-fashioned tag team action here.
There's such a distinct attribute that makes a tag team successful. It's a
Shoulders down. Is it enough? A kick out after one.
And our referee watched that one closely.
our special referee doing the zebra stripes proud.
Oh! Oh.
Effective dodge there.
Ooh, and a shot to the body and another.
Setting up for something here. Driving face first.
Ooh, that's a kick that would leave you gasping for air.
Cross body.
And down with the DDT.
Tags into the match.
Inside cradle applied, shoulders down.
Only getting one out of that pin.
And that is how the count should be. This ref is taking...
Uh-oh, he could be looking for a submission here.
Impressive.
A single leg camel clutch and a great counter.
Oh, man, what a leg drop.
Hit that with everything and following it with the pin.
And he powers out.
It was an even count. Great job by the ref.
Neither of you can cry about that one. His count was as fair as it gets.
Foot to the belly.
In off the tag here.
Oh, man. Look at these shots.
And a big clothesline. Leaning on the turnbuckle here.
Turning the tables.
Oh, rapid.
Uh-oh. Fast thinking saved him there.
Oh, and a stop. Ooh. Ooh, and he stops that offense.
What a headbutt.
Vicious.
Oh, man.
Is this it? Is this the end? He's able to kick out before two.
And the ref is showing integrity with that count.
That officiating's almost too good. In fact, I'd say it's suspiciously fair and balanced.
Tag made here. Oh, this is going to be bad.
And a hammer fist right across the collarbone.
They finish each other's sentences. They finish each other's moves. That's tag team excellence right there, gentlemen.
He's going up with a series of forearms. His stamina is getting tested here.
Getting the tag could be the momentum swing they needed.
Ooh-wee. What a chop.
With the counter. Bang, drop kick. Brought back into the ring from the floor now. Stomping the arm.
Down with a face buster. He's doing it.
Going for the pin. Gets the shoulder up. And give it to the referee. That was a standard pin count for sure.
The referee showing zero favoritism at that moment.
Sent out of the ring the hard way.
He's ready to show his opponent and the world what he's made of.
Forearm to the face.
Oh, nothing fancy about that.
And into the turnbuckle he goes. Tag is good.
Double axe handle.
That was that chemistry you cannot teach.
Oh, strikes with the back elbow.
Oh, God.
And he's tagging his partner in.
Big drop of the leg.
And he's being somewhat backed into a corner right now.
At this point in the match, I say make the tag and recover as much as you can.
Right on the arm. Ooh, great anticipation.
Thinking about rolling pin. Watch this.
Oh, wow. Look at the left shoulders down.
And the count stopped short of 2.
Looks like our guest official is pretty good at this ref thing.
Oh, you certainly can't complain about the officiating on that pin count.
Coming in off the tag.
Oh, wicked kick to the lower back.
He looks like the kind of competitor that can take on all comers right now.
Bam!
Whoa, ho, ho. Oh, afterglow combo.
Taking things to the top rope.
Soaring.
He gets the tag, and here we go. The complexion of this match is about to... Probably not going to win for a couple hundred years, Byron. You know why? Because the Billy Goat's curse.
Way to break the curse.
Snapmare. Basement kick to the side of the face. He's starting to feel the results of this pounding. This is it. He could put him away right here. He kicks out at 2.
The referee respecting his job and being impartial with his count.
And keeping attention to the official, I saw no fault with his count at all there. Sit out, crucifix powerbomb.
Goodness. From the ground up.
Slam.
He created a huge opportunity here.
Oh, he gets the shoulder up before 3.
Are we sure that wasn't 3? Just about as close as you can get.
I'd say our special referee is taking the duty very seriously. Looks like he was up all night practicing his technique. Lots of questions coming into this match about our referee, but I must say this has been an exceptional display of rule enforcement.
Yeah, I'm glad to see this match being called so clean.
Trying to debilitate the capability to stand.
He's looking fairly drained.
Yeah, holding strong for this long in a tag team match is commendable, but it might be time to tag.
Middle rope. Off the mark with that one.
Good golly, Miss Maya.
Put into the corner. What could be next?
Oh, man, I can't wait to see what this tag team has in store. They've been dominating this contest. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Spiked him. There was simply no way to avoid that.
Into the cover. No! 2 count.
Our guest referee with a textbook count.
You can tell the ref has set his feelings aside with a count like that. Now's the time to find that second win. Find that rush of adrenaline to push you forward.
Axe handle.
This is not looking good for him.
This could be the defining moment of this match for him. What does he do now?
Splash in the corner.
Wow. He is getting rid of the turnbuckle pad. Don't say that too loud, Saxon. You might get caught.
Climbing to the top. What's he thinking? From the top.
Elbow drop. Good Lord. Going in for the win here.
Oh, he makes the biggest save of the night.
Oh.
Face buster. He tags in his partner.
Elbow to the heart. He's covering him. He's got him.
And he fights it off.
And that was a by-the-book pin count.
No one is going to say boo about the officials' count there. And another. Oh.
Placed him in the corner here. Counters. Punch lands. Oh, snapmare.
There's the kick.
Ooh.
Tag it in.
Tag made. Boom! What a forearm.
He is in the zone, and he wants everyone to know it. He got it. Tag made.
He's in a clothesline.
Deep into the match. This could end it.
No! Kick out at 2.
And that was an honest count. No one can argue that.
Looks like our special referee knows the importance of his responsibilities.
He's finding himself in some territory he does not want to be in.
This has been an arduous tag match, but you could be in much worse shape.
This has been an epic encounter.
These fans are sending the death.
Deadlift. Look at this power.
Superhuman.
He's got this one in the bag now.
Snapmare takeover.
Basement kick to the side of the face.
Precarious position for both superstars.
Oh, gosh. Back suplex on the apron.
And he's just chaining together more offense now.
But can he maintain this dominance?
These debilitating forearm strikes.
Clawing away with forearm after forearm. Look at these cross faces. Climbing to the top turnbuckle now.
Take off. Oh my God. The cover for the win.
No, he gets the shoulder up.
And our guest official calling that one down the middle.
You can't say our ref messed around with his cadence during that pin.
Placed against the turnbuckles.
Tag was made. There's a tag. Opponent off the ropes. Double big back body drop. He is hell-bent on putting his opponent away.
This has been a grueling battle. What is left?
Wait, you don't think he's...
Avalanche Spanish fly.
I think it's all over now.
Shoulders down. Kicks out, just kicked out.
I can't believe that this whole arena's in shock.
Yeah, but no one's more shocked than the man who thought he had a pinfall. And pay attention to the referee's excellent positioning. Footage from this should be used at the Performance Center.
He counters with a great reversal.
Has it set up in the corner of the ring.
Closed fist connects. There are no words for the ride these fans have gone through in this match.
It has been a roller coaster, and I don't think the ups and downs are over yet.
submission, a lot of trouble here.
Oh, look at this. Look at this power. Look at this strength. Great way to escape.
Ooh, got caught with a
Tombstone and route. One more. He's pinned, shoulders down.
Trying to end it.
Oh, he kicked out.
no telling how much surviving that will cost, though.
I don't know how someone kicks out of that. I don't know how you can still be standing.
Our guest referee showing superb reaction skills, not missing a thing. Probably not going to win for a couple hundred years, Byron. You know why? Because the Billy Goat's curse is in effect.
I can't stand this move.
Hi, Colt. So much pressure being applied.
He just decides to end the hold.
Wonder what he's thinking here. That scary look in his eyes, fixated on the opposition.
Targeting the stomach to reverse that maneuver.
Down low with the drop kick.
Boom, boom. He makes the tag here.
His adrenaline is pumping right now. Snapmare takedown. Oh my! Hip attack. Make it twice. A third time. Can we see it? Oh yeah, I like it.
It's not even Saturday night. I'm sure you do. He goes for the pin.
Could this be it?
Almost ended it there.
And you can't argue with the referee's count.
Or you certainly can't complain about the officiating on that pin count. When you're in an atmosphere like this, when you can't hear your...
This competitor looking to up the ante right now as their opponent perched on the top rope about to join them. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, no way, no way!
Yes!
Oh my gosh!
Absolutely devastating.
Cover. And they're still in this.
His opponent thought he had it in the bag for sure.
This is when you have to switch game plans. You can't let yourself get discouraged. I'd say our special referee is taking the duty very seriously. Looks like he was up all night practicing his technique.
There's the tag.
Got him lined up, and it's only a matter of time now.
To the gut.
I know what's next.
Axe kick.
That's it. That's it. Call it. He ain't